I look kind of fucking crazy zoomed in. Alright, let's show the fridge. This is what we got in the fridge right now. We got some fucking, I don't think we have any more in there. No, we still have like 2 in there. We got a buzz ball. We got 2 cans of these. These things are like 15%. Little mini shooters. We got our foo-foo. We got our foo-foo in there. We got some Voodoo Rangers. So we got 1, 2, 3 up there. Voodoo Rangers. Some juice in there when we're thirsty. Cranberry. I think that's like peach juice, peach lemonade or something back there. We got some root beer. We got a little bottle of this shit. Oh fuck. Got a little bottle of this shit. I don't think I'm ever gonna drink this shit. I don't really like drink liquor like that. We got some electrolytes. A couple empty bottles up here. That's about it. We don't really have much there. Take a swig of the Crown Royal. Dude, I've noticed that like whenever I take a swig of the Crown Royal, like I have to throw up in the morning. Like I have to throw up. I have to like it just gives me like I don't know what it is. I have to throw up in the morning. When I drink that Crown Royal, I have to like puke that shit out of my system. Show the alpha window curtains. You get hella drunk. No, I know. Sonic's hat. I got Sonic's hat too. I stole this hat from one Sonic. I stole this hat from one Sonic, and if he wants it back, tell him to come fight me for it. I liked the way that it looked on him, so I stole it from him. That's called alcoholism. Well, dude, shit happens, you know what I mean? It's alright. Sell it. Sell it on eBay, bro. Nah, bro. What's up, Sean James? What's up?